In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add education info on LinkedIn. This is an important step to ensure your profile remains relevant and appealing to potential employers and network contacts. Let's dive into this straightforward process together. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate over to linkedin.com. You'll need to log into your account to make these updates, so ensure you have your login details handy. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft accounts, or simply with your email address and password. For those with two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by sending a code to your registered phone number. This verification step is crucial for safeguarding your account security. Once you're logged in, you're likely on your LinkedIn feed. From here, head over to your profile by clicking on your avatar picture. You'll find this in the upper right corner of the page. Once you click on your picture, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to select View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where you can make all necessary updates. On your profile page, scroll down until you reach the Education section. This is the space where all your past and present educational experiences are displayed. Now, if you want to modify an existing entry, look for the pencil icon situated next to the particular education item you'd like to update. Clicking this icon allows you to edit details such as the institution name, degree, field of study, and any other relevant information. Be sure to provide accurate details that reflect your recent achievements or any corrections you need to make. Now, if you're looking to add a completely new entry, like a course you've recently completed or a new degree, there's an easy way to do this. Begin by clicking on Add Profile section located in the Introduction section of your profile. When the drop-down menu appears, select Add Education, which you'll find under the Course section. This will bring up a form designed for new education entries. Go ahead and fill in this form with all relevant details about your educational experience. Include the name of the institution, the degree you've achieved, the field of study, and any other details that can enhance your profile. These additional details not only make your profile more comprehensive but also better inform your network of your academic background. Once you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to carefully review everything for accuracy. When you're satisfied with your updates, click Save to finalize your changes. And just like that, you've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile with your most recent educational experiences. Congratulations! Your LinkedIn profile now showcases your educational achievements effectively. By keeping your profile current, you're sure to make a great impression on potential employers and network contacts in the digital professional world.